I can barely breathe as I'm recording this right now. I'm shaking, honestly. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now because I promise to keep you updated on every single detail as this heartbreaking story continues to unfold. I never thought I'd be sitting here talking about this. Dylan Wang, healthy, energetic, always smiling Dylan, has reportedly been rushed to the hospital after suddenly collapsing, and Shen Yue's emotional reaction has fans across the world in absolute panic. The news broke just a few hours ago, but it's spreading like wildfire. According to multiple eyewitnesses at the filming location for his upcoming drama, Dylan was in the middle of shooting a relatively simple scene when he suddenly stumbled, grabbed at his chest, and fell to his knees, before fully collapsing on the floor. At first, some people thought he was joking or rehearsing. You know how playful he can be on set. But it quickly became clear that this was no acting. Crew members rushed to his side, and what happened next sent chills down everyone's spines. Someone yelled for a medic, and the panic in their voice immediately confirmed this was real, and it was bad. Within minutes, an ambulance arrived. The usually composed filming team were seen crying and pacing. But that wasn't even the most heart-ripping moment. When Shinyu burst through the hospital doors, makeup free, hair messy, clutching her phone with trembling hands, the world froze. She reportedly arrived in such a hurry that she wasn't even wearing proper shoes, just simple house slippers. Witnesses say she was gasping for breath, eyes red, and looking completely broken. As soon as she reached the emergency lobby and saw Dylan being wheeled down the hallway on a gurney, tubes attached to him and doctors shouting orders, she completely lost it. She screamed his name so loudly it echoed down the corridor. Then, in front of strangers, bodyguards, reporters, she collapsed onto the floor, burying her face in her hands, sobbing uncontrollably. That raw, uncontrolled grief, that wasn't the reaction of a co-star. That was the heartbreak of a woman who thought she was about to lose the love of her life. Let me back up a little so you can understand why this has everyone so scared right now. For the past few months, Dylan has been juggling way too much. Promotional tours overseas, night shoots for his new drama, training sessions for a brand endorsement, not to mention, being a new dad. Fans have been worried for weeks after noticing he looked thinner, pale, and sometimes even slightly disoriented during fan meets. There were rumors he hadn't been sleeping more than 3 or 4 hours a night. But, true to his nature, he kept smiling. He kept telling fans, "Don't worry. I'm okay." Clearly, he wasn't. I swear, I'm getting emotional just talking about this. Because we've watched him grow. We've watched him give everything to his career, and now, has it finally taken too big of a toll? Inside the hospital, things only got more intense. Shen Yue was seen clutching Dylan's jacket to her chest while pacing back and forth in the waiting area. Her face, people said, looked completely shattered. She reportedly kept whispering, "Please, don't leave us, please," while rubbing her stomach in what fans are now speculating might be a sign she's pregnant again. Whether that's true or not, the image is haunting. By midnight, paparazzi and local reporters had gathered outside the hospital, but security tightened immediately. No one was allowed close. Still, blurry footage leaked from a nurse's station shows Dylan unconscious, doctors surrounding him with wires, trying to stabilize his pulse. The words "cardiac stress" were heard, though not confirmed. If true, that could indicate anything from severe exhaustion to a heart-related issue triggered by overwork. Around 2 a.m., Shinyu briefly stepped outside with Dylan's manager. The moment cameras caught her, she tried to hide her face but failed to stop the tears pouring down. Her voice cracked as she said just one sentence to the crowd. "Please pray for him." That was it. She didn't say anything else. She didn't need to. That one sentence was enough to send every Dylan Shinyu fan into a spiral of fear and heartbreak. Within minutes, hashtags like #StayStrongDylan, #PrayForDylanWang, and #ShenYue started trending globally. Fans began lighting blue candles, symbolizing peace and healing, and posting photos on social media, begging the universe to protect him. Artists began drawing comforting illustrations of Shen Yue holding Dylan while a guardian angel watches over them. Some fans even started group prayer sessions on live streams, thousands joining in silence, tears streaming, waiting, hoping for any sign of good news. Meanwhile, insiders report that Shen Yue has refused to leave his side. She's apparently still in the hospital hallway, curled up in a chair, gripping Dylan's hand when doctors allow her near him. She hasn't eaten. She hasn't slept. She keeps whispering things like, "Remember the baby, remember our moon," in reference to their daughter, Shen Yue, because yes, if you followed their story, you know how much that little girl means to them. The thought of her growing up without Dylan. I can't even say it. Always sacrificing. Always trying to be the protector. And that's exactly why fans are so scared. Because sometimes, the strongest people break hardest. As of right this moment, while I'm speaking to you, there has been no official medical update. His agency released a short statement saying, "Mr. Wang is undergoing evaluation. We ask for privacy and calm." Which, honestly, doesn't make me feel calm at all. If anything, it makes me more anxious, because they're not denying that it's serious. And Shen Yue's silence? That says 1,000 words. You guys. I need you all to stay hopeful with me. Dylan has always fought through everything, criticism, pressure, fame, but this time, it's his health. This time, it's his very heartbeat. If you believe in prayer, manifesting, positive energy, whatever it is, I am begging you to send it his way right now. Because this is truly scary. And when he wakes up, I hope he knows just how much he's loved. I hope he sees the storm of love surrounding the hospital. I hope he sees Shen Yue's swollen eyes from crying all night. I hope he hears us all chanting his name across the internet. I hope he understands that none of us care about projects or performances or deadlines, we just want him healthy, breathing, alive. Let me pause here because I'm genuinely emotional. This isn't just gossip anymore. This is human. This is life or death. And my heart is in my throat. Tell me, where were you when you heard Dylan collapsed? How are you feeling right now? Do you have any words you'd like to send to Shen Yue and Dylan? Drop them in the comments. Let's make a global chain of love they can feel even through hospital walls. And if you've made it this far, please, hit that subscribe button, because I promise the moment anything changes, anything improves, anything at all moves in that hospital, I will update you immediately. We're in this together. For now, hold your loved ones tight tonight. Life is fragile. And our Dylan, our bright star who always made us smile, needs all of us to shine for him this time. Stay strong. Pray hard. And let's believe with all our hearts that the next video I make about him will be celebrating his smile again.